Well, today is day 17 on the bathroom vlog here at houseimprovements.com. I'm just headed down to get a few odds and ends of materials this morning. Main job today is grouting the floor, the tile floor. We're going to shoot a video for that. That'll be this afternoon. I want to pick up some materials and different things that I need to kind of finish some things up. I'm just kind of waiting in the line up here to get my Tim Hortons coffee, and then I'll be off to the lumber store to get what I need. It'll be a little bit of a slow day with this running around today, and just going to be kind of the way it goes. Just a sec. Hi, can I get a medium double please?
Medium double. Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
Alright, well, I'll talk to you at the window. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So like I said, it'll be a little bit of a slower day today. Main objective is to get that grouting done, and that's kind of one of the last big projects to get finished up is the floor, and then we can start doing all the little accessories. Countertop shows up tomorrow sometime, so yeah, we're getting there. Well, that's the end of the day, day 17. Ran around, got a bunch of materials this morning. Did get the video shot grouting the floor down here. It's looking pretty good. And we did do a video on installing, I don't want to step in here too far. Did do the video installing this curved shower curtain rod as well. So got a couple more videos shot and some materials picked up. Last few things. Got that crown on. I don't know if I showed you that earlier. So things are looking pretty good. Tomorrow, the countertop comes tomorrow, later in the day. So I'm hoping I'll probably have the baseboards on. Got them in the shop painting right now, the casing around the doors. A bunch of odds and ends. I might start working on some of the doors and drawers here too, so I kind of want the countertop on before I get them all in the way though, so I can hook the sink up. So we'll see what tomorrow brings.